Andrea TV here from DriveOnMama.com, and you want to know Doordash number? The phone number for Doordash customer service is 855-973-1040. That's 855-973-1040.
Hello there, beautiful people. Andrea TV here, and we are starting our day. It is a rainy, cloudy Friday morning, and we are fired up with both apps. We have Uber Eats and Doordash, and this is our ride along for today. We have been waiting for a while for an order we would be willing to accept. It is now 9:12. I logged on to the apps about 8:30. I was sitting at a McDonald's on River Road, didn't get anything at all. So we moved up to the Panera Chick-fil-A area, denied all the Chick-fil-A's because they are very slow. And we just accepted a Panera for $7.75, going 1 mile, and let's go pick it.
So Panera and Chick-fil-A are right next to each other, but the amount of orders you get from Panera is like 1 to every 5 or 6 Chick-fil-A's.
That is why I love Panera. The food was ready when I got there, and we were about to deliver. Our customer Grace is very hungry. For 9:17 a.m., she wants a grilled mac and cheese sandwich, followed by a large order of macaroni and cheese, a side of chips, and an orange juice. Let's go get her grilled. And before we could pull off, received a Dunkin' Donuts Uber Eats, $7.51, 0.7 miles. We are going to get that before we drive to Grace, and we are going to do both. It's called multi-app.
So the pickup time that Doordash gave us was 9:19, and Dunkin' is right across the street from Panera, and that is why I was able to do both. If it is too far away, or the customer's drop-off is too far away or opposite of each other, then I wouldn't be able to do both at the same time. But here's Dunkin', and across that street, 4 stores down from Five Guys, is
our customer Eleanor will be getting 2 iced coffees, 3 orders of hash browns, and 1 donut. Yummy! Time is now 9:31. Have dropped off the first Doordash food for Panera, and we are on our way to the Uber Eats drop-off for the Dunkin', and we have accepted our next, Doordash for Chick-fil-A, $6.75 for a total of 2 miles. Time is currently 9:38 a.m. We just dropped off the Uber Eats order, and the customer is less than a half a mile away from Chick-fil-A, and they sent me the text saying her order is ready. I am very shocked, and she has the same first name as my first customer, Uber Eats. So let me see if I'm going back to the same address. Most likely not, but we're going to Chick-fil-A, and it's ready. Time is currently 9:40. Before we could get to Chick-fil-A, received an Uber Eats for $8, going 1 mile, picking up from where? Chick-fil-A. Okay, it's 9:49 a.m. The Doordash Chick-fil-A was ready, but the Uber Eats is not. So 11 minutes, if you pick up 11 minutes past the time they give you, or you deliver 11 minutes past the time you give you, then you are late. So we are on our way to drop off the Chick-fil-A. The customer is 4 minutes away, 0.9 miles, and then we'll come back to Chick-fil-A to pick up Allison's, and it should be ready by then. Okay, before we could get back to the car, Doordash sent us a $6.25 for 0.9 miles back to Chick-fil-A, but I'm going to deliver the Uber Eats first. Okay, time is currently 10:38. It is the slow down after the breakfast rush. So in the slow times, we were taking a slow order. $5.25 Chick-fil-A on Doordash, going 0.9 miles. Now let's see how long it takes. Okay, we went to go put a quarter in the meter while we waited for the Chick-fil-A, and received a Uber Eats going to Robex Smoothies. $6 and I believe 39 cents
for 1.5 miles. We accepted that also. We will get the Chick-fil-A first, deliver it, and then deliver the Robex. We'll pick them up both at the same time. Stopped in Chick-fil-A just to see if the order was ready, even though the pickup time was 10:41 and it's not. So we're gonna get the smoothie and bring it to the car. So Christina is getting two 800-pound gorillas. What a name for a drink. Okay, time is now 10:53. Just walking out of the store with the order. Yeah, this is why I don't go here during busy times. It's a slow time, and look at that. Time is now 11:03 a.m. Just dropped off the Chick-fil-A for the customer, and now we're on our way to drop off the Robex. That is going to be 10 minutes from here, and then the lunch rush should be starting, the early order. Okay, time is now 11:41. We accepted a Chipotle for $5.25, going 839 yards. So they're like in one of these office buildings most likely. And I really accepted it because I'm hoping for an add-on and to use the ladies' room. Messed up the times a little bit. It was 11:31. We just got our Chipotle and we're gonna deliver it. Now it's 11:34. It was ready. Okay, time is currently 11:51. Just accepted an order, Spring Garden Chinese food, going 2.4 miles. And I think I probably shouldn't have because I didn't see the address good. I was driving, but Doordash has sent me about 6 or 7 low tip, no tip orders that I kept denying. So when I saw $7 for 2.4 miles, I accepted, but we will find out. We have arrived. Okay, I am going further down into Bethesda, and it's a lot of restaurants over there, so I don't regret it. It wasn't going further into DC or a lot of traffic. I will be there in 10 minutes. It's going to a car dealership. Now sometimes they can make you wait, but hopefully things go smoothly. Time is now 12:27 p.m. Just accepted a Doordash going to District Taco, 1.3 miles in total. We are hoping to get an add-on. Pickup time is by 12:29. So I'm right across the street from District Taco to the right, and hopefully we'll get something else. If not, we're only a mile away and we can be back to the avenue within minutes. We have arrived. Okay, before we could pick up the District Taco, received a Uber Eats for $7.52, going 1.3 miles. We're gonna go see if it's ready. If it's ready, we're gonna take both and do some testing. Okay, just so you can see how close these stores are, and just to let you know, just took an add-on for Uber Eats, so now we have a stack. They added $5.80, picking up at Roaming Rooster, right there above the blue car. This is District Taco that we just picked up from, and Five Guys is on the other side of this CVS. So CVS, Domino's, and then Five Guys. So we're really dirty multi. Five Guys is here. And District Taco is there. Okay, time is now 1:16 p.m. We dropped off all items. Doordash was first because they have the clock on you, then the 2 Uber Eats. As I was finishing the first Uber, about to drop off the second Uber, accepted a Chick-fil-A $7 for a total of 1.9 miles on Doordash, and I am about a mile away from the Chick-fil-A, so it's going to be 1 mile once I get it. And we are 4 minutes away, and Uber Eats just sent a $7 2.1 mile going to Mayflower Chinese. So again, we will be multi-apping these two. Doordash was 125, and the Doordash Chick-fil-A still is not ready. It is about 8 Doordashers and 5 customers in the restaurant, And I'm thinking to unassign possibly. So it's 1:31 and I have unassigned. I'm going to Mayflower to get the Chinese food and hopefully we'll get something on the way there. Mayflower Chinese. Well, this is going to be unpleasant. Time is now 1:42 p.m. and my Uber Eats Chinese food is being dropped off in a retail store in a section, and it's a handed to me delivered. Only on Wisconsin Avenue where parking is very scarce and tickets are very plentiful, and to find this person in the store at their section. Yeah, I wish I had saw that. 1:57 p.m. Not as bad as I thought. Let's see what we get. Okay, while we were in Clyde's waiting for the Doordash order, also got an Uber Eats for $8, 2.5 miles, and we took that one too. Time is now 2:23 p.m. and there was a hidden tip. So instead of it being, I believe it was $6.75
at the stop sign,
it was $11.75. So $2.75 base pay, no promotions, no peaks, and $9 tip. And he ordered 2 items: a lob crab salad and a Caesar salad. And yeah, time is currently 3:03 p.m. Came back to the avenue and sat for a while, declined some very low/no tip orders. Just picked up our last 4 of this midday shift while the kitty kids are in school. $7.78 on Uber Eats, going back to District Taco, and it says it's only 0.3 miles. Well, this was a sweet little bonus gift. This is District Taco on the corner, and my customer is at the animal hospital. Yay! It's windy out here, but it feels good. Quick $7 and change. Haha. Andre TV here from DriveOnMama.com, coming to give my totals for my midday run, where I Doordash and Uber Eat from the time I dropped the children off at school until it's time to pick them up. This morning we started or logged on about 8:45, didn't take our first order till after 9, and we ended or dropped off the last order at about 3:13. So for Uber Eats, the total came to $67.73. Doordash was 2 separate dashes, $38.50 and $11.75, for the grand total of $117.98. So if you are looking for a way to make income while your kids are at school, part-time, or whenever you're able to, Doordash and Uber Eats is a way to go if you have a reliable car. Like and subscribe for more.